Hi. It's Wednesday, about 11:30. Carly's playing on her floor mat. She's really starting to become aware of these toys. And this one she keeps hitting with her foot. This guy right here, and she goes a-kicking. She likes to hear him rattle. Oh, there she goes. Come on, Carly, get moving. She's really been getting her exercise in here this morning. Yeah. Sorry you guys couldn't come over this week. Hope you feel better, Dad. It's nice to be able to send these little videos anyway, though. Going, going, going. Kick, kick, kick. She's getting tired. Can you smile? Let's see a big smile. Let's see a big smile. Oh, yeah, it's going to your eyes. I love it when it goes to your eyes. Let's see another one. Let's see another one. Oh, come on. Come on. Give Mama a big smile. Come on. She's starting to grasp, too. Like when I feed her, I'll put a burp rag or a blankie in her hands. This one, it's got the silky on it, and she's really starting to hang on to it. So that's pretty cute. Kick, kick, kick. She really likes this little floor mat. It plays music, and it's got lights on it. Go to town. Yeah. Give me another smile. Give me another smile? Huh? Yeah. Papa and Grandma want to see you smile. They want to see you smile real big. You can do it. Oh, she's too busy kicking. Oh, God bless you. Well, that's all for now. She's getting tired. It's time to go back to bed. Talk to y'all later.